Hello, welcome to TDS Online Math. Alright, let's solve for x here. Okay, now we are given 3 to the power x plus x equals to 7. Solution. Okay, so first of all, let's observe this. Let's see if we can solve this by inspection. Now, if I plug in 2, that will be 9 plus 2, that will be 11, but this side is 7. It means the answer should be less than, okay, x should be less than 2. It should be 1 point something. Okay, now if this side is 1, it will be 3 plus 1, that is 4, so it will be 1 point something. Okay, now if this is the first time you're watching my video, please kindly subscribe to this channel for more exciting videos. So we are given 3 to the power x plus x equals to 7. So let's send this x here to the other side. So that will be 3 to the power x equals to 7 minus x. Now let's get rid of this one here. Okay, so to get rid of it, you need to divide both sides by 3 to the power x. Okay, so if I do that, this side will be 1 and I'll leave it 7 minus x on 3 to the power x. All right, now I would like to write this one in linear form. Now when you are given 1 on 8 to the power n is the same as 8 to the power minus n. So what I will do here is to change this one to 7 minus x, so times 3 to the power minus x. All right, now before we can solve x, we need to apply Lambert W function. Now when we have alpha times e raised to alpha and take W function, the answer will be alpha. So always we have e here and we have what is here and what is behind being equal. So that is the rule. Okay, now anytime we take e raising ln of something, the result is that thing. So e raised to box, the answer should be box. E raised to ln of box, the answer should be box, in that order. All right, so we would like to introduce this one on that of this over here. Okay, now before I'll introduce e here, I would like to make this side equal to, okay, I want the power and what's behind to be the same. So I'll multiply both sides by 3 to the power 7. So when I do that, this side will be 3 to the power 7 equals to 7 minus x. So we have 3 to the power minus x times 3 to the power 7. So we have balanced this one. Okay, now when we perform indices here, this side will be 3 to the power 7 equals to 7 minus x times 3. Now when I add, this side will be 7 minus x. So we have this one and what is behind being equal, so we are free to go. So remember what I said, e raised to ln of box, the answer is box. And when you have alpha times e raised to alpha, when we take W function, the answer will be alpha. So we have to introduce the two properties here. So let's start with the E. So I would like to support this 3 here. So I have 3 to the power 7 equals to 7 minus x. Now instead of writing 3 to the power 7 minus x, I'll make it E raised to ln of 3. So this side E raised to ln of 3. Then we have 7 minus x. Remember, in going back, this one will still give us 3 to the power 7 minus x. So we have 3 to the power 7 equals to 7 minus x. So this one is a power. Now when we have e raised to ln of a to the power n, it's the same as e raised to n ln of a. Alright, so this one will be e raised to 7 minus x ln of 3. So this one is behaving like this. Okay. Now we have this one as our target. We have the e here. But before we can take the w function, remember what is here and what is behind must be the same. So if this side is alpha, this side should be alpha. So guess what is missing? This one is missing here. So I would like to multiply both sides by this. So that will be 3 to the power 7 ln of 3 7 minus x ln of 3 times c raised to that ln of 3. Perfect. So what is here and what is there are the same. So we are free to go. So let's take w function. So we have w function of 3 to the power 7 ln of 3 w function times this. Okay. So the left hand side you see remains the same. One of them, okay. So we have 7 minus x ln of 3. Okay, so we have this. So you can choose to manipulate this one, okay, or you can leave it. Now we can divide both sides by this ln of 3. This side we go. We have 3 to the power 7 ln of 3 equals to 7 minus x. So my final answer here will be, so we have x here equals to, so x in, we have 7 minus w function. So we have 3 to the power 7 ln of 3 on ln of 3. Okay, so that's that. Okay, now when you plug this one in Wolfram alpha, you get the exact value for this. All right.